a really quick video here on to clear up some confusion on uploading your CPP file. So when I'm asking for a CPP file, what I'm actually asking for is I'm asking for the source file that's been added to a project. When you open up a project, it's kind of like a folder that you will associate with the program. There's some program specific files that are in there, and the thing that I'm looking for is just one of the files, the file that contains your source code, which contains your main function. This is the main function here, so it's exactly what you're seeing here will be contained in that .cpp file that you have attached to the project. So that's what I'm actually wanting you to upload, because that's where your code's going to be. So to get to that, the easiest way to get to that is by clicking up here on the header, right clicking on that, and then you go to the second from the last option on the bottom, which is Open Folder and File Explorer. You can click that, and I'm going to drag this over here. Now where this actually stores is it stores this inside of your computer, and then underneath your user account, whatever user account you have logged in, Documents, the current version of Visual Studio, which in my case I'm using 2013 Professional, and Projects folder, and then whatever the project that you have. In this case, my project is called Lecture, because I'm just using that for a lecture here. It's just a demo project. And then here are all the contents that are contained within inside of this project that I've made. If you go one folder in, so the name of the project I called Lecture, if you go one more folder down, you'll actually see your source file right here, main, and then you see it says C++ source. If you're not sure about it, right click on it, go to Properties, and then you can see that this is a source.cpp file. Now I know this is the file that I'm after because I have called main here, main.cpp. So I know that's what I'm after. So when I see it here, it's called main, it's C++ source. But again, close this out. When you right click on this here, Open File Explorer, you got to go one more folder in order to find that .cpp file. Now that's the easiest way to get to it. You can go to your user account, Documents, Visual Studio, whatever edition you're using, Projects folder, and then you can end up that way. Whichever way is easier for you, this is the easiest in the least amount of clicks. Right click, click Open Folder and File Explorer, click one more folder in with the name of the project, and there is your source file. That's the file that I want uploaded to the assignment, so try that out. Make sure it's not the .sln, that's the solution file. We don't need that. That's just a project file that contains no information that I can give you a grade and assign a grade on. So hopefully this helps, and good luck. Thanks.